Ki khubor ka Batisi TV, lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kibor penyai jong ke kyang nang ba Government College Joai ha ka praterik ubana no pra arajar arpway kila penlong ka jing lekmen ka bakerpang hadin ba National Assessment and Accreditation Council kala ai kerdan grade B ya kani ka slempuli jong ka sarkar ka badan hasor Joai. Hagani ka snila sakhilang rudo menteri jong katanat puli puthi ke sarkar jilla uba lakmen remboi ha ka bala sakhilang do deputy commissioner jong ka West Gentia Hills district uba Garod LSN Dykes uba longru chairman jong ka advisory committee ka college u deputy director u Dr. BD Kaji bad uba EK Maukheo u consultant ka Rusa u Dr. SR Lindem ka principal jong ka college ka Dr. EM Bala kinong hikai lembat ki samla pule. Kumban supentip hang ni bagi dikhat jong kan nak ki bakintop ya u chairman u Ashutosh Ghosh u Professor Muhammad Arif padu Dr. Aji Bhamere member kila hiar jurip ya ka kyang nang ba Government College ha ka khat san bat ka khat henre tarik ubnai no pra arhajar arphuai. Ka cumulative grade point average jong ka kyang nang ba Government College kapoi R point sapulai na ka hinyo point but kani ka kerdan grade B kan ne hado sansnem nado ka arpu R tarik ubnai naiwing arhajar arpu way.
Today is one of a memorable day in history of Kianamba Government College, where it is the first government college in the state of Meghalaya where NAAC accreditation have been completed. This would not have happened had it not been for effort put by all the stakeholders, from the principal, the faculty, the student, and everybody. We have to adapt ourselves with the situation. And we know that Kianamba College and most of the college have missed so many opportunities, be in infrastructure funding or initiative, just because they didn't have a NAAC accreditation. NAAC accreditation is a very simple process, where if all of us do our own diligent duty, we didn't have any problem. The problem is that when we ourselves, we don't know what is our own responsibility, we are shying away from responsibility, and we just do our duty for the sake of doing it. It is duty bound on itself to see that is what is needed to do its duty. Different departments have their own duty to fulfill its obligation. Kianamba College, the name may be one, but we have different departments. We have to treat different departments as different college. Then only we could succeed in the days to come. If we leave all the responsibility to the principal, if we leave all the responsibility to the IQAC coordinator, it will be very, very difficult. Because this is just the beginning. Every year, you have to submit your annual quality assessment expert.